What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to make your drums sound better. So let's get right into it. So really all you got to do is start with the drum loop, okay? So let's just find something here. Okay, so we just got this loop from Count Drums. What we're going to do is route it to a mixer track, and then we're going to put an EQ on there and just take the low frequencies out. We'll do a high pass. The thing I like to do is double click the drums, go to Stretch Pro, and bring it down to whatever. I'm going to bring it down to 400 cents and see how that sounds. Now it's as simple as just layering drums on top of that. You already got a groove. I'm going to use the Koala kit. Shout out to homie Impressionable Sound. He and some other homies made this kit and made some really dope sounds. So I'm going to link it in the description if you're interested in copying this kit. It's really dope. And just like that, I kind of already got like a groove. And so what we can do is to get some swing on this is highlight the first element of the drums, which is this kick, and then hold shift, then left click the second one and just drag down until all of them are highlighted. Then we're going to go into this drop down arrow and go to set swing mix for selected. And let's just do 75%. And we're going to have to mix it in with this swing knob right here. Get to go into the piano roll and then randomize the velocity. Do a Control A and then an Alt R to get into this. If it pulls up like this, just declick the pattern mode and just mess with the velocity here. You can go through different seeds to get different variations of velocity changes. Then to make them sound even more interesting, let's route them all to a mixer track. So we already have these drum loops routed, but we'll just keep that highlighted, then hold shift, left click, and drag down to highlight all of them. Go into the mixer, and since that drum loop is already on insert 4, we'll start there and right click and do channel routing, route selected channels starting from this track. All right, and then I'm also going to highlight all of these and route these to a drum bus. Then in that drum bus, we can start putting effects. If you have RC20, that is a really good effect to put on drums. You can get some dope sounds. If you don't have that, you can use a vintage chorus, but make it to mono input. So let's try that. Bring this noise down. Go into edit. Also throw RC20 on there just to get some more flavor. I like the Vinyl 3 preset. And just like that, you got a nice drum loop where you can add some sample chops or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.